Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Microsoft Store error 0x800704cf. First we will reset the network connection using built-in Windows commands. This helps fix network-related issues that can stop the Microsoft Store from working. Click on the Start menu, type Command Prompt, then right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. When the command window opens, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. This clears old network cache files. Next, type netshintip reset and press Enter. This resets your network adapter settings. After that, type netshwinsock reset and press Enter. This fixes socket-related network problems. Once all commands are done, close Command Prompt and restart your computer. After the restart, we will reset network settings completely. Open Settings, then go to Network and Internet. Scroll down and open Advanced Network Settings. Click on Network Reset, then select Reset Now. This will remove and reinstall all network adapters and set everything back to default. Restart your PC after the reset is finished. Now we will clear the Microsoft Store cache. Press the Windows key and type WS Reset and press Enter. A blank command prompt window will open for a few seconds. Once it closes automatically, the Microsoft Store will open again with a fresh cache. After completing all these steps, open Microsoft Store and check if the error is fixed. Thanks for watching.